Critical Mountain Pictures presents the Forex video training series, Blue Belt course, Intermediate Elliott wave. Like we mentioned earlier, Elliott waves are fractals. Each wave is made up of its subwaves. Let me show you another picture. Pictures are great, aren't they? Do you see how waves 1, 3, and 5 are made up of smaller 5-wave impulse patterns, while waves 2 and 4 are made up of smaller 3-wave corrective patterns? Always remember that each wave is comprised of smaller wave patterns. This pattern repeats itself forever. To make it easy to label these waves, the Elliott wave theory has assigned a series of categories to the waves in order of largest to smallest. They are grand supercycle, supercycle, cycle, primary, intermediate, minor, minute, subminute. A grand supercycle is made up of supercycle waves, which is made up of cycle waves, which is made up of primary waves, which is made up of intermediate waves, which is made up of minor waves. You get all that? Alright, to make things clear, let's see how the Elliott wave looks in real life. As you can see, waves aren't shaped perfectly in real life. You'll also learn it's sometimes difficult to label waves, but the more you stare at charts, the better you'll get. As you may have guessed, the key in using the Elliott wave theory is trading is all about being able to correctly identify waves. By developing the right eye and recognizing which wave the market is in, you will be able to find out which side of the market to trade on, long or short. There are 3 cardinal, cannot be broken rules in labeling waves. So, before you jump right into applying the Elliott wave theory to your trading, you must take note of the rules below. Failing to correctly label can prove disastrous to your account. Rule number 1. Wave 3 can never be the shortest impulse wave. Wave 2 can never go beyond the start of wave 1. Wave 4 can never cross in the same price area as wave 1. Then there are some guidelines to help you in correctly labeling waves. Unlike the 3 cardinal rules, these guidelines can be broken. Here they are. Conversely, sometimes wave 5 does not move beyond the end of wave 3. This is called truncation. Wave 5, more often than not, goes beyond or breaks through the trend line drawn off wave 3, parallel to a trend line connecting the start of waves 3 and 5. Wave 3 tends to be very sharp, long, and extended. Waves 2 and 4 frequently bounce off Fibonacci retracement levels.